Have you ever wondered why JSON or YAML feels so heavy when you are building AI applications? What if we had a simpler, faster, token friendly format built exactly for LLMs? Well, meet TOON, token oriented object notation. Today, I will break it down with visuals, benchmarks, and comparison, and even with a Python demo. Let's dive in. TOON or token oriented object notation is a lightweight, compact data format designed specifically for LLMs and token based systems. It is similar to JSON but optimized so that it produces fewer tokens, loads faster, and stays readable. This is what TOON looks like. Notice that it removes unnecessary character like quotes, braces, and commas where possible. The structure becomes clean, almost like a hybrid YAML plus JSON, but optimized for tokenizers. As LLM application scales, every token matters. More tokens means more money. More tokens means more latency, and more token means less speed. So Toon simply restructures your data so LLM consumes fewer tokens while still understanding it perfectly. Let's compare JSON versus Toon. Paste a simple JSON and see from 169 JSON tokens, now we have 86 Toon tokens and we saved 49.1. In terms of benchmark for retrieval system, Toon team measures efficiency, which is accuracy percentage divided by tokens into 1000. Here, higher is better. We can clearly see Toon is performing better than others. In token efficiency also, Toon outperforms other formats. Yes, Toon is great, but not everywhere. Avoid Toon when you need strict data validation. Your backend expects standard data formats. You already use native JSON serialization. You work with APIs where Toon is unknown. So think of Toon as a prompt data format but not general data exchange format. Let's see a demo in Python. To install Toon, you can use this command. We will be also seeing the token count for which we will be using tick token, and you can use this tick token command to install it. Now let's see the code. We are importing an encode and decode from Toon package and also tick token. We are getting encoding method from tick token. Also, we have taken a data which is name Alice, age 30 in JSON format. Now we will encode the data to Toon. We will see how the data looks in Toon format and what is the length of the in Toon format token length. We will again decode the data in JSON format and we will see the data and its token length. Now let's run the code. We can see after encoding the data how the Toon format looks. And then the token length is 8 in Toon format. After decoding in JSON format, we can see again the data structure is restored. But now the length is 12. We can see Toon is significantly better than JSON. So the question arises, should you use Toon? If you work on LLM prompts, agent data, config for NLP apps, AI pipelines, chatbot memory structures, then Toon can save you token and money. But if you are building APIs or backend system, stick to JSON or protobuf. This was a quick deep dive into Toon, token-oriented object notation. If you want more practical AI and NLP videos like this, hit like, subscribe and share. I am Shalini and I will see you in next video.